Hey y'all, what's going on? It's Tastepink. Welcome back. And today I have another review from CurlsCurls, and I've already done, a clip-ins review for them, which you guys really loved. If you haven't seen it, click the top right corner, that little eye, and it'll take you right to it, because I put those clip-ins to the test because it was my first time working with CurlsCurls, and I want to be able to give you guys like true tea. And so I'm going to be delivering the same authentic tea in this video. And sis, this is the Lora Lace Front Wig, and honestly I'm excited to get into her. I think curly textures are so appropriate for spring and summer. Yes, they're a little bit of maintenance. It can be a little intimidating. The 3B 3C texture is much more manageable of a texture, especially if you're just trying to get into the groove of wearing curlier units. So okay, first things first, did you subscribe? Did you join the family? Let me know so I can give you a nice warm welcome. It's very lit over here. Be sure to share this with your homegirls, your homeboys. We're slaying all 2019. And if you like these types of looks, like the more curlier textured units, definitely give this a thumbs up and make sure to kiki with me in the comments. I love interacting with you all. So as I stated, this is a unit from CurlsCurls, and they come with really good packaging and they give you information on how to care for your unit. So I highly recommend, making sure to review it. And I wanted to do things right, like co-wash the unit. So one of the first things I did was I saturated the entire unit to make sure all of the hair is fully hydrated. And then I went in with the Paul Mitchell Original Detangler. So this is like a super rich conditioner. I used the entire bottle because I wanted to make sure that I am enhancing and hydrating every part of this unit. And I wanted to let it sit, so I let the hair sit for about a good 30 to 45 minutes. And you can also put it into a shower cap, during the time that you let it set. And I rinsed it out after that time, and I did notice a little bit more noticeable shedding. Now with curlier textures, that's something that is very much normal, so don't be afraid if you see that. I wanted to show you guys exactly how much I got, and if this is what you get every co-wash session, it's not too bad. Just make sure to use your fingers when you are really working through the hair. So this is the Lora wig. It's a lace front wig, and you get a 13x6 frontal, so you get 6 inches of parting. So that's 6 inches deep of parting into the crown of the unit. And you also get that ear to ear kind of lace action, so you get the pre-plucked hairline. It looks super natural, and you get wefts at the back. So this is a lace front wig. It's not something that's going to give you scalp tease all around. So with a lace front wig, it's going to be more affordable. This is around $240, which is not bad considering the texture and the 14-inch length, which is really cute. And I think the natural color is going to work good for a lot of the girls. And because it's human hair, you can go ahead and bleach it, but definitely be careful. You know what I'm saying? If it's your first time around the rodeo, slow down, sis, before you try it. Watch as many tutorials as you can, possibly consult a stylist that you trust, and just do your research so you don't damage your wig. Now this has 150% density, but the full lace version has 130% density. So I'm going to try her on, let's see how she looks. Okay, so she's a side part. And the curls, that's why you gotta co-wash your hair, because the curls, that's how you make it pop. Now, so you guys can see, I gelled down my hair using the Edge Booster Style Factor Hideout Gel. So this is like a tinted gel. I have a middle part, so I think with this unit, I'm gonna create a middle part. Now you see how deep you can part this. This is insane. Do you see that? You have a lot of parting space, which gives you a super natural look. So now I'm going to go in with the Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse to help kind of lay this part. And this is how you mold the hair. Yeah, you see that? Yes. I really want this to lay down, so I'm going to take some clips and just place them like so. Ooh. Now before I go in and cut the lace, I also want to use, look at me coming to life already. So I want to use the My Fluffy Puffs twist frosting with biotin. I love supporting Black businesses. Support a sister, okay? And this is available on Amazon. I'll have this linked in the description for you guys. But if you want something that has a really kind of soft hold, but it helps to really define the hair, and it works so well. Now my hair is still a little bit damp, which I recommend. It's not soaking wet, it's damp, but I just take a dime size amount, just like that. And I'm just going to take this and work it into the hair. But look at the curl definition. And if you're ever concerned about like product buildup, mist the hair with a little bit of water. So you can thin out the product and, you know, further help to distribute it through the hair so it's not like getting caked on. I also really like this product because it doesn't give me that crunchy type of feel. So it's giving you curl definition, it's hydrating the hair, giving that like very lustrous, nourished kind of look. It doesn't look like it's weighed down with product, or it doesn't give you that crunchy feel. So I've already adjusted the straps at the nape to give a more comfortable, snug fit, and I'm gonna put the unit on. It fits so much better, sis. Yes. Okay, let me make sure this part is in order. So once I cut the lace, the wig was already super gorgeous, okay, super realistic, but I just went in to bobby pin the sides, and you don't want to pin it too tight because then the ear tabs will lift, so be gentle when you do that. And I went in with a little bit of pressed powder. I used the Maybelline pressed powder in 334, which is Warm Sun, and this just enhances the part. Again, I didn't bleach the knots, so this is going to be your savior if you're not going for the bleaching. And I just put it along the perimeter hairline, the pre-plucked hairline, just so it blends, and this lace blends seamlessly with my skin. Like, ooh, they really did that. And I also just took a little bit of a wax stick to kind of like bring the hairs and like add a little bit of hold so that the hair sits, you know, just ever so slightly away from my face. And this is where we are. I love it. What do you guys think? If you are interested, definitely check out CurlsCurls. I would highly recommend them. I think this is a really good beginner-friendly unit. And for someone who wasn't playing around with it, got to be freeze spray, got to be glue, I think we did the damn thing. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. And let me know your thoughts on Bay, because Lora is cute.